Yeah, penalty no. Onye intelligent back okra. He's not intelligent.
Should he take the intelligence of a player to win once he's been fouled? Senye sisi no be person sisi wa. No intelligence.
Abusia football for no. Yetimi bo bi sire mu so na nimo kamu o ma mami wo. Ehọ no na referee has an oh yeah na no they are responding. E dey am foul. Gentleman was so obsessed say o person o she go ma Ghana o person o she gini din. That is the reason etia kade. On say no e tra me catch say game no nsuro.
But say who players are ya foul or mo na ho ankekam ba ya je penalty na. Ya je foul na man. Ade na ye dey dey say obi ko sua say me ma me ebre o mu ku me bo ama.
Ya so tia sense football. Biasness wom. FIFA no president obenya anka we mo wini. Na ma storyline na efe. Ref no gina mu obi a woni interest wo match nim. But I didn't say I'm a pen of America and South America football. I didn't know anything, but send your bay and honor. Boy, wait here. Nim penalty, we are say a concurrent chain penalty with that. I can't send your tone who free actually then 9 million in a barrel. I don't think I share 7 years and the both fu a Kwabena Adu because it was clear. Even goalkeeper pay for the news, baby, a dream a penalty. So it was a clear penalty. Now me feel say VR no bebem.
Okay.
But catching here say or some board there was a chance of Akoma no offside against Semenyo. But Ghana nya penalty konkron na was what mojimaye. Na ke about what nkene story because England match we dey busia.
The next time you try Ghanaian player be say I want na ho.
I was saying go mu nyina crowd rush. Say sad we dey be America. Referees ni bi wo ha wo mu ni kukoduro sa mu nyina mu push ni sa. He will be for because want to be mamu nyina record. Oh, into incident where the Kwabena Adu youngster, that is not to say onya there. He's a very good player. But stage in a nyoma bi ehia na kade no oni bi. Akade dey ehia wo stage we no. Football no enye yeni sa kronkron sa na ye onya ho no enye machine house no aka say referee wi dey eje. I was say wo ye nyoma bi ansana. Nyoma bi akọ to your advantage. But I think say Kwabena or the experience Robert got that from Sa Nyoma we nyina. But so be say nya penalty a very very clean and I was say Honduras ref no edge me nim nie ntia one whistle for the penalty no. But Enra Ghana nya penalty and he deserve it.